Hello everyone, today we're gonna talk about comparing the decimals. And we know that to compare between any two decimals, we're gonna use one of these signs, greater than, smaller than, or equal. And for example, if we have 32.1 or 32.01. To compare between these two numbers, we have to compare or start with the digit in the greatest place value. We compare from this side, the whole side, okay? So we have 3 in tens and we have 3 in tens. Here we have 32 and there we have 32. 3 in the tens and 3 in the tens. 2 in the ones and the 2 in the ones. Then we have the decimal point. Okay, then in the decimal part, we have 1 here and 0 there. So which one is greater? Of course, the 32.1. Okay, and we have another way we can make balance before comparing, like 32.1, same one, or 32.01. Balance means equal number of digits in both sides. Now we have how many digits in the whole side? We have 2 digits and there we have 2 digits. So they are balanced. They are equal in digits. We have 32 and 32. But in the decimal part, we have here 1 digit and we have there 2 digits. To make balance, we're gonna put 0 here because 32.1 equal to 32.10. We know this part. Then we have 32 and 32 cross. And in the decimal part, we have 10 and here we have 1. So this one is the greatest one. Okay, another one. If I have 47.20 or 47.2. We can solve it by the 2 ways. The first way, balance. We have 47 and 47, so cross the whole. Now we have 20 and here we have 2. So which one greater? You're gonna say 20? No, because 20 in the decimal part equal to the 2. If we make balance to equal the digits in the decimal part, here we have 2 and there we have 2. Here we have 0 and here we have 0 or nothing, so they are equal to numbers. Another one. If I have 3.6 or 52.8. This one is a very easy one. Okay, let's balance or compare the whole part. In the whole part, here we have 3 and there we have 52. To make balance, we're gonna put 0 in this way, in this direction, because the 0 here is nothing. It's gonna be 3 as it is. If you add more zeros, it's gonna be 3 as it is. Okay, so the 0 on the left is nothing. Then we have here 3 and we have there 52. So of course the 52 is greater in the whole part. Another one, if we have 4.52 or 4.64. Okay, now let's check. This is our decimal point in both. Then in the whole part we have 4 and we have 4 also, so cross because both are equal. Then in the decimal part we have 52, we have 2 digits, and there we have 64, we have also 2 digits. So 52 or 64? Yes, of course, the 64. Okay, another one. If I have 90.77 or 9.77. Okay, this is our decimal point. In this part, in the whole part, we have 90. And in the whole part, in this number, we have 9. To make balance, where are we going to put the 0? Yes, we set to the left to keep the value of the number. It's 9. So we have here 90 and we have there 9. So, of course, the 90 greater than the 9. Okay. Another one. If I have 722.300 or 722.3. Okay, this is our decimal point. Then, in the whole part, in this number, we have 722, 3 digits. And there we have 722, 3 digits too. So we're gonna cross the whole part. And then in the decimal part, here we have 300. We have 3 digits, 300. And there we have 3. So when we make balance, where we gonna put the 2 zeros? Yes, to the right, because in the decimal part, the zeros to the right is nothing, equal. So we have here 300 and there 300. So they are 2 equal numbers, because I cannot put the zeros here, because I will change the place value of the 3. The 3 in the tens, so I will keep its place. Okay? Okay. Another one. If I have 42.13 or 24.31. Okay, let's check. Now I have a decimal point. Then in the whole part, I have 42 and 2 digits. And there in the whole part, I have 24 and 2 digits too. So they are balanced. Okay, so 42 or 24, of course, the 42. Okay? Okay. And when we talk about comparing, we can also talk about ordering the numbers. And ordering means arrange the numbers by 2 ways: ascending order or descending order. And we said before, ascending means start from the small one, like the ant, like ant, okay? And descending like dinosaur, start with the big or the great one, okay? So when I give you group of decimal numbers like 2.344 and 2.3 only and 2.345 and 2.4. Okay, if I have these 4 numbers and I wanted you to arrange them in descending order. So descending, we said, means from the big one. So let's choose the greatest number from these numbers. At first, we're gonna make balance or check the whole part, right? Let's check. This is our decimal point. We're gonna mark it or underline it to make it clear. Then look to the whole part in all. Here we have 2 and 2, 2, 2. So all the whole part equal in all balanced, okay? Then we're gonna check the decimal part. Here we have 3 digits in the decimal part, and here we have just 1 digit, so I will put 2 digits more. Here we have 3 digits, and there we have 1 digit, so I will put 2 digits more to make them 3. Now all of them are balanced in the decimal part. Okay, let's check. 344 or 300 or 345 or 400, which is the greatest one in the decimal part? Of course, the 400. So this is our first and greatest one. Okay, I can write it in his way, or we can put the 2 zeros. Okay, both are right. Then the next one, 344 or 300 or 345. Of course, the 2.345. Cross it. Then 2.344. Then the last one gonna be 2.3 or 2.300. Okay? Is it easy? Then we have another type of question said select the smallest number. Select the smallest number, so we're gonna choose the smallest one from group of numbers, like 34.74 or 34.4 or 34.7 or 34.477. Okay, what is the smallest one from these 4 numbers? We said before we have steps and we have to follow them. First step, underline or highlight your decimal point. Then check the whole part. We have 2 digits, 34. 2 digits, 34. 2 digits, 34. 2 digits, 34. So all are equal in the whole part and balanced. Then check the decimal part. Where is the greatest number of digits in the decimal part? In which number? Yes, here we have 3 digits. So all of them have to have 3 digits. So we have 3 places here. So here we have just 1 place, so we're gonna add 2. 1 place, so we're gonna add 2. 2 places, so we're gonna add 1. Now all of them are equal and balanced in the number of digits in the decimal part. Then we're gonna choose the smallest one. We're gonna select the smallest one. Let's check. 740 or 400 or 700 or 477. Of course, the 400. So the smallest one is 34 and 4/10 or 400,000. We can read it by both ways are right. 4/10 equal to 400,000. Okay, is it easy? Okay, thank you all for watching and hope all of you got this lesson, and see you later. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.